Slay-Heartz family, it's finally the 100 subscriber video. I have the hubby here with me, but he don't want to be on camera.
I need a haircut.
He's worried about his hair, but we're doing my hair dye. We got my hair down. Hubby freshly shaved me. So
Like
we got our colors.
Mangy mutt.
Yeah, I know. But here's our colors. I'm getting you anyway. We got pink and
Green
like
envy.
yeah, it's like a mint green or something. It's only for like if you're doing like minor things.
I like how that magically worked out.
So we're thinking about the dip dye type, basically just doing my ends. Because I originally thought about this, but I don't have a crap ton of bangs, so we figured the ends would be best. So that's what we're aiming for, right?
And if we have any left over, we might throw it on my beard. I'm just kidding.
But we're gonna do my ends. We'll see how this goes. We're thinking pink on right and the bluish green, I swear it looks bluish green, on the left. On the back, now this is 100% cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, no allergens. You wanna flip it over? He's our model today. And this is what it looks like. Now, my hair doesn't match any of this. Mine's lighter than all this.
Who cares?
Now, it's an all-in-one kit, and Brad Mondo would be very upset. But to be fair, I went into Sally's originally to get Brad Mondo's stuff. But I asked the lady, and so did my husband, if his was gluten-free and vegan, and she said no.
That this was the only one in there that was safe.
Yeah.
Which I thought was bullshit, but you know, whatever.
So, yeah, so we went with this. And then my husband goes and researches it after we purchased it, like, what was it, like a couple of days later? And he goes and researches it a couple of days later. What'd you find out?
It is. So Brad, if you see this, I'm sorry that we had to use this product. I almost said something bad. And not yours, because that's all we watch is your videos.
Yeah, I watch them every day. So, but we're doing this instead because we already spent money on it, so we're just gonna go with it. I bought it a couple of months ago. For everybody that was following the vlogs, we had bariatric surgery, so we weren't sure with hair loss and all that other stuff how that was gonna go. Which I got a little breakage here and there and a couple of spots, but this is all 100% natural hair. Just with bariatric surgery, unfortunately, it's a side effect, right?
Or you can have my problem.
He ain't even that bad. But I guess we figured, well, now more than ever. So I'll let the hubby give you a 360 of what it looks like before we brush this mangy mess. Here you go, hubby.
Come on, turn around. Show him that mangy hair. Keep going. All right. So we'll be back when she's
in a second. I got a story. One more story.
One more story.
Yes. Okay. The other reason why we did this for 100 subscribers is I've been working in therapy on dyeing my hair. I like dyeing my hair, but I had a lot of trauma with an ex that required me to dye my hair. So in therapy, I had to learn to love my own hair, my natural hair, the way it is. And if I can get past that little hump, then I can graduate to this. So, because for a time period, I wasn't allowed to touch my hair.
And I'm gonna miss it. But I can't wait to see what it looks like.
We're excited because this is a step. It's a congratulatory on trauma healing, but also 100 subscriber. So we'll be back after he brushes and shows y'all what it looks like after it's brushed.
So we're back.
I'm from the 80s.
Her hair's pretty poofy tonight. Turn around.
It's
very bouncy.
Yeah.
Giving definitely 80s vibes. 70s, 80s vibe. They want that.
If you're wondering what is happening, it's because I'm mixed. I have Haitian blood in my veins. So, and it goes through my hair.
The 70s called. They want their hair back. All those metal boy bands. Oh God, are you ready to dye this thing?
You ready to dye this thing?
If you're ready.
Okay, I guess. So we gotta like split it?
Yep.
Dear. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Well.
Well, we'll be
Here.
back with the final results in 3,
Not
2.
the final result.
You. You excited? Are you nervous?
Nervous. Hubby is opening the box for me, but we're gonna be starting the right side. He's trying to open the box.
Well, the green one, when I opened it to see what all we needed, didn't give me this problem.
Well, while he figures that out, this is what we did. Sorry if you hear the dishwasher. We moved to the kitchen.
Counter space.
Yeah, need counter space. But he split it in half. Tried to detain it as much as possible. And we're thinking ombre, so we're gonna start with the bangs and then go down. And then we put this side up. This is for the greenish. So, yeah. Are you ready for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this is what comes in it. It comes literally with everything.
Directions from top to bottom, side
And this
to side.
is, I didn't say the brand earlier, IGK Color. And this is shampoo, conditioner, and the serum afterwards. Here's your bleach. Or black.
Gloves.
Gloves. And that's the color, right?
Yep,
Yeah,
the
that's the
liquid
color.
pigment.
And then this is the developer.
And the test bleach.
Yeah, you get a test bleach, and it came with these. And the bowl to put it all in. And here's all the instructions.
It's a lot.
Yeah. So, we're gonna follow these, and we'll be back for the time lapse, I guess. See, this is why y'all need a husband. He'll clean your mess up for you. I love you though.
I love you too, babe.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, y'all are gonna see it first, and so is the hubby.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like it.
Ready for me to turn?
Yep.
Oh, jeez. That is bright.
You can't leave the camera view.
Oh, sorry. I like the pink. I'm
can
excited
take-
to see it dry.
You can take them to the mirror now.
Oh, okay. Well, this is what it looks like wet. I guess y'all will see it when it gets done being styled and stuff. See you in a minute. Big reveal. Look at this. I don't got my full fit on, but I'm getting ready to stream for Twitch, so I figure I would show y'all the final result. Let me try to get the back. Oh yeah, look at her. I did pretty good considering I didn't really know what I was doing. Well, I hope y'all like your 100 subscriber video. I'm gonna go hop over to Twitch now and put my teeth in and do my side part, but I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And as always, let's get canceled together. Bye, Heartz family.